Hello everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to fix Apple Pay account restricted. So let's get started. So the first solution you can try is by verifying your identity. So Apple might have restricted your account due to security reasons. So go into the wallet app, and if you see the option for verifying your identity, then make sure to provide all of your information properly on the on-screen instructions. They might ask for your driver's license or passport. Make sure to provide that as well. Then you can try and check your payment methods. So if one of your payment methods is outdated or expired, then this might have caused the restriction. So go into the wallet app and find and tap on the card, and then recheck all of the information and make sure all of it is correct. If there are any pending payments, then make sure to clear them using a different active card. Now you can try contacting your bank. There might be a problem from the bank side, that is why your card might be on hold. So what you can do is to try to reach out to them, and they will help you in fixing your issue. Now make sure that your mobile phone is on the latest version. So make sure to check for any new updates and that you are updated to the latest version. If you're on iOS, then go into settings, general, software updates, and over here make sure you're updated. Now if all of this doesn't work, then try contacting Apple support. So you can do this by going to the Apple support app on your phone, or you can also visit the Apple support website. So make sure you have provided your issue in detail so that they can help you properly fixing your issue. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.